Have you ever wondered how you can generate your passive income? How about getting your money smarter, not harder? Hi, I'm Rupali and I'm here to blueprint your success. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can have a buy and hold strategy for property investing. It sounds simple, and it is actually. It's about a journey to your financial freedom. It's more towards a long-term investment. Let's picture this. You go and do your due diligence, you find the right property for yourself, and then you just hold it. Yes, it's that simple. So basically, it's more towards a long-term potential of that property. What you have to do is find a right team around yourself who can help you do the due diligence and find you the right property. Because it doesn't matter whether it's your first property or a third property, as long as that property which you buy sits right in your portfolio that you're about to build, which will help you generate passive income over the period of time and get you the financial freedom. That property is basically will help you build your wealth. So what you have to do is just hold that property. And the main important part of that building a wealth is having the right property manager. So when you have a right property manager, they will help you hold that property for longer term. They will make your hold more hassle-free, more stress-free, because you just need to monitor it over the time, and that's it. So if you are thinking about building your portfolio, think about how you can have a buy and hold strategy which will help you build your passive income easily. So for more videos, like this one and subscribe to our channel. Talk to you soon. Thank you.